What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching. Nolasco here. In this channel, we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And since we weren't able to go to the outlet, Nike factory store, or Nike outlet store, or Adidas outlet store, so we bought something online. And if you've seen one of my videos previous, that I already bought one of this, so let's do the unboxing. Without further ado, let's do it. Starting off with the smaller one, and I didn't realize I did one on this kind of sweepstake or some kind in the adidas.com, and if you can see, it is Adidas. And I just turn on my notification, and I know that I'm qualified to buy this one, but I didn't expect to win actually, so I just apply for the to buy them, and then when the release day, they will raffle who is gonna win. So I just put on, because I mean, I've been doing that for a while, and actually I'm not winning. So by the time I did forgot, but then when I check on my email a couple days ago, and then I thought, oh, what is this charges? I look into my credit card that there is a charge, so I look into that. It is Adidas. So long story short, I won this one, so let's take them out. So this kind of surprised me with this one, because it's kind of new with Adidas. It's kind of different. You see, different kind of boxing that they did, as you can see right there. This kind of new, unlike the others are just like put on tape, something like that. But anyway, so let's take them out. There you go. On the other side. Oopsie. All right. Boom. Look familiar, huh? Yep. You guessed it right. Boom. We got Adidas Yeezy Boost 350. Oopsie. Okay, there you go. Almost dropped the phone again. Okay, so we got the Yeezy Boost 350, and this one is the new release one. And there you go. As you can see right there, 5.5. It's not my size, okay? And this one is the Cinder colorway of Yeezy Boost 350. Alright, take them out. Let's see them on hand. Ooh. Boom. Let's take the other. Alright. And there we go. We got some Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 Cinder. Well, I've seen one of those Yeezy Boost before. My first one. This is the second one that I bought, and not bad. As you can see right there, the Boost here, and also some kind of blackish gray something. Not bad for the color though. If it could be my size, probably, but I don't know. Yeezy is not for me because I don't want to pay retail. I mean, you know me, I like to buy them. I like at least have a discount, not just retail. So what do you think on this one? Can you leave the thumbs up? thumbs up. Okay, so it's just like they painted a dye or something like this one. Let's take out the paper. So as you can see, it's just the basic Yeezy, different color and some kind of transparent inside. Well, not bad for this one. So I look into the comps, which is the better to resell. So it's supposed to be 9 and below. So I pick up 5.5. So let's see if they could sell out online or recoup my investment on this one. Well, it's just they say it's the base size. I don't know what does it mean. Okay, but anyway, so that's a good one already that I had a ADIDAS Boost DC, and you can see them on hand right there. Well, what is your judgment on this one? There we go. Closer look. There you go. And there you go. Okay. All right, moving on to the other box. Okay, this one is much bigger box, as you can see, and same goes with the new thing going on with the box that Adidas doing right now. There, it's not taped. All right, let's open it now. Okay, there we go. Now we find the trick. Okay, snap it right here a little bit, and then give a little force. Whoopsie! It didn't work that way. Let's try the other side. Right here. Come on. Okay. This one is not working. Okay. Let's see the other side. There we go. Okay. Boom. Okay. All right. We got it. Bam. Nice packaging on Adidas doing, but now it's kind of hard to open them. Okay. And it's already taped here. Ooh. Ah. Ah. Wow. Something different. Okay. Big box, but you only have 2 shoes. Okay. Yep, if you've seen one of those videos, this is what we got. Wow. That is a huge box. But anyway, so we got 2 Adidas right here, another one, and boom. Right there. First off, we're gonna start with this one. We got the Adidas Ultraboost 19 and for men's, and as you can see, 10.5. That means is for personal pair. And take them out. Ooh. Nice paper, huh? Boom. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that color though. Wow. What do you think? What do you think? Can you leave a thumbs up? Well, we got the Ultraboost 19, and I got me already one, just one for now, that I've been using for a while, and it's really nice running shoes. Very comfortable. I don't have any complaint. But I said the price is unbelievable, so that's why I picked them up. And I said this would be not just mainly not for a running shoes, but for a casual for my, because I like the color. And as you can see, the black, wow, look at that. The Boost midsole, all black, and the orange top, and some flyknit or knit on the upper, and the transparent cage, and the 3D heel guard. Wow, don't have much complaint on the first one I got. And also you can see the continental rubber, also the torsion right there. Ooh. It is really vibrant. Well, they are better in hand, as I've been seeing online, but phew, wow, can't believe the color. I can't wait to wear them. So what do you think? Is this a nice pair of Ultraboost 19, the colorway? I love that color. Wow, someone's gonna have a turning head something. Ooh, well, moving on to the next one. So if you've seen all the videos like that I did, this one's not mistaken, they were 89, and it is Ultraboost 19. This was the Ultraboost 19, and they were selling 89 plus tax. And if not mistaken, put the link below, all the pictures. And this one, we got the Ultraboost 20, and it is the solar red. And as you can see, 10.5. So that means it's personal pair. And surprisingly, they are just the same price on this one. I don't know what's happened, but well, I see them on sale. Why not take the opportunity to get me one another running shoes? So take them up. You'll be surprised again. Nice pair. Ooh. Look at that. Bam. Another bright color. Boom. Boom. Well, what do you think? Can you leave a thumbs up? Leave a thumbs up. Hit the smash. Hit that thumbs up button. Okay, so Ultraboost 19. So I already got me a pair of orange with a black, right? On 19. And this one is the Ultraboost 20. And is somewhat just the same color. As you can see it there. Almost. Ooh. But because this is Ultraboost 19, a lot of things going on. And wow. So what do you think on this one? Didn't have Ultraboost 20 yet in my collection. For running shoes, I only have one is 19. And it's been like, ooh, I wear them a lot. So what was the difference on this one? We got something different here. The knitting or something that put some more additional, something that protects the foot all around. As you can see right here, it doesn't have those. And the top is just almost the same. And look at the guard cage. I meant this one. It's somewhat kind of plasticky thing, and it's not transparent, and this 19 is transparent. Okay, and looks like the heel guard all the way in the back is almost just the same, as you can see right there. And the thickness of the boost, I would say, is almost just the same. Okay, well, and it's something boost in space, I don't know, but the color in this one is some kind of wow. blue thing, and it's really vibrant. Can't wait to wear them. So probably this one is for running shoes, because I don't have one in Adidas 20 for running shoes yet. I don't have, only 19, and this one's probably just for a casual wear. And this one's really nice color though. Comparing to this one, can't compare them yet because I haven't wear them, especially on the 20s, and just looking at them right now, it's almost just like the same. You can see right there, it's just the boost what is more important for me because it's more comfortable, as you can see right there. Okay, so what do you think on this one? I'm not an orange person, but I like the color though. So anyway, and it's cheaper, especially the new one. It's still 2020, and they are selling it for the price, almost just the price of 20 Ultraboost 19. I can't pass on those, especially I need to work out, and especially I am running, and I almost my other pair is almost done. So why not grab a new one? But anyway, what do you think on this one? What is the best pickup online? What do you think? We got the Ultraboost Cinder, the Ultraboost 19, and Ultraboost 20. I would love to hear your thought. Please leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.